how to check what uses up the most storage space on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's return back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Then tap on general. Next, we scroll down and then tap on storage. Now scroll down here and it will show you a list of all the apps that use up all your storage space on the Apple Watch. Now in here, the first item uses up the most storage space, and then we go to the next item which uses less storage space than the previous one. And as we progress down the list, you can see here the apps will use less and less storage space. So it will sort by the most usage space down to the least. And that's it. So from here you can determine which app uses up the most storage space on your Apple Watch. And from there, if you are running out of space, you can decide if you want to delete them or to keep them. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.